Hello, good day, good morning. I've decided to do an unboxing. This is not my first Rayban that I've ordered from the Rayban website. So this was the old one that I've ordered and others. So I've decided to unbox this one. So it came from the package today. It took like 3 days to arrive here in the United Kingdom. So I'll open this up now. So there's a little bit of change now on how Rayban packs their device or their stuff, because back then it's a box, and inside the box inside a UPS box is this kind of box, but it's a different thing right now. It's this papery box, and a black box from Rayban. So you finally open the box from UPS. Okay, I'm just trying to adjust the resolution. Darn resolution. Okay. I hope that was not well, there's nothing I can do. It's already included in the recording, and I think I paused it. Sorry for the cursing. Okay. So this is it. Okay. So this is the Rayban box. And the thingy from Rayban. Some monogram, some inscriptions. Unlike the previous one that I purchased, it's just this box and a leather case inside. So let's open this box now that I've ordered. So it's roughly the same as the other one, if you will see. This is the old one, which is a polarized. This other one is not polarized, because if you will be flying a new generation airplane right now and using some iPad, the liquid displays, and also you look at the windows, which is treated, it's going to have that awkward dark, not good looking look when you're using polarized. So let me just put this one aside. And we'll open the box and check what's inside of it. Okay, I'm opening the box right now. I should have chose black. Well, I've chose brown because my other one is black, my other cover. And you can have inscriptions written as well for it. So this is, let's throw this aside. So this is what's inside the box, or the leather pouch at first. So it's not complex, and Rayban is not really worried that their device is going to get damaged. And because there are Raybans that I noticed from the Philippines that when you purchase it. So we've opened the box, and yeah, this is what's inside. At this time, I've chosen to buy the black Aviator, and inside the box there's the Rayban. Don't know what this means. The Rayban warranty and manual. And let's just have a little look at the Aviator. I'll also let you see what's inside the manual. So it's basically the sheet to wipe the eyeglass, then the barcode, that's just it. Okay, I opened it. So this is how it looks. Let's just check the markings. Okay, if original man ko, no? So if it's an original Rayban, they said it has some specific markings. Then what's this marking? This one is too small. It's hard to decipher. Let's check. Yeah, that one. The code which you can enter in the Luxottica website, the Rayban website. And yeah, so this is our Luxottica Rayban Jetblack Aviator unboxing.